Hey y'all! So I'll be showing my sprint video is about with my cochlear implants. It's the hearing test. So what I do in this video is I was blindfolded and my few family and friends was saying random things, and I have to figure out where the sound is coming from and where they are. And you will notice I got some right and some wrong. So I want to show you what is it like to be with the cochlear implant, to know where the sound is coming from. So I hope that you learned something new about cochlear implants, how I am as a cochlear implant user. So,
hello. Orange.
Really?
The top of your head. I'm over here.
Hey. Really?
it sounds like she's coming from the door.
What about now?
Over here.
Danielle.
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 Hi, Danny.
No? Okay.
Really?
Danielle.
Really?
In here? Try again.
Danielle.
I see you.
That one threw me off. Was that a good bit?